Introducing Naksh Enterprise, your partner in comprehensive chemical and machinery solutions. Welcome to Naksh Enterprise, a leading exporter and service provider based in Ankleshwar, Gujarat, specializing in chemicals, machinery, and equipment for various treatment plants. At Naksh Enterprise, we offer a wide range of solutions for effluent treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, multi-effect evaporators, MEE, and reverse osmosis plants, RO. Our services cater to diverse sectors including pharmaceuticals, chemicals, food and dairy, municipal services, and refineries. Our innovative solutions ensure easy installation, efficient operation, economical maintenance. We have partnered with industry leaders like Ivertech Solutions Private Limited and Hindustan Blowers Vacuum Technologies Private Limited to enhance our offerings. These collaborations enable us to provide effective and high-performance solutions. Our achievements. We have built a reputation for ethical practices and trustworthiness. Our strong relationships with clients and associates have established us as a reliable partner. For any questions or inquiries, feel free to reach out to us at nakshenterprise.ne@gmail.com or call +91 9023642525. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to the opportunity to collaborate with you.